how can someone send you money through PayPal? So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how someone can send you money in PayPal. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that you need to do is just go to the PayPal website, which is paypal.com, or just use the app. And then after that, once you're in the dashboard page right here, what you want to do is just go to send and request right here. And then after that, if you want to request money, just go to request right here. And then from here, you can now start inputting the username or the name or the email or the mobile phone number of the person you want to request money to. So just search up a sample. So for example, I use this guy right here. And then you can also add another person if you want. So just input their name again right here, their phone number, their email. And then once you're done selecting the people that you want to request money from, just click on next. And then after that, you can request the amount of money that you like. So for example, I want to request $12. So you can do that, or you can split the bill by using this option right here. And then after that, you can also add someone else if you want to add another person. And then you can add details on what this payment is for. And then once you're done configuring these settings, what you want to do is just request now. And as you can see, you requested $12 from Name Doe. So all you have to do now is just wait until the person that you requested money from has accepted the request. And then after that, you are done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to request money from PayPal.